A girl once sneezed nonstop for nearly 3 years. A 12-year-old suddenly began sneezing in 1962. She sneezed dozens of times per minute, reaching 12,000 a day. Doctors searched for allergies, but nothing triggered it. But neurological tests also came back normal. Specialists tried medications to calm the reflex arc, except none of them slowed the rapid-fire sneezing. Her story spread worldwide, drawing medical curiosity. Until one morning, the sneezing simply stopped, and no one ever found the exact cause. For 978 days, her sneezes stayed unexplained.